the storm that just went past Melissa. I'm sure you all heard about. Stay safe. As you all know, Hurricane Melissa just left Jamaica, and I'm livid. I am upset.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Getting my barrels ready to be shipped. This one is going on Friday. I am really angry. Can you not tell by my face? But I am upset because these barrels that they're sending me, they're not even that big. They're very small. So now I have to speak to them about it. So listen, man, why these barrels ain't it? So I don't know what's going on. See, I got my sardines, everything ready for collection, everything. So a lot of things in this barrel. As you know, we had an hurricane the other day. The barrel is set. This is cornmeal here, cornmeal. Just gotta mark it, write it up, and that's ready also. To go some peanut butter there for the little ones. Oops. So we got the packet of crisps, big packet of crisps for the kiddies. Got oats. Everything is ready to go. So yeah, everything. I'm gonna get the toys down as well about the storm. So the barrel's packed. So this one as well, it's going also. So I have 2 barrels that is gonna leave my house on Friday, and it should be in Jamaica in 3 weeks time. I don't know why I turn it off, but it keeps going off, so I'm just taking it. So I got some Frosty Flakes, some hoops, some more hoops, just cereal stuff. I've got some couscous over there as well. Pick up some flour, to like a couple of packets. I'm just buying them small portions because I have until the end of September to send them off. So yeah, so let me show you what I got. I'm back in a moment. This barrel has already been packed. It's packed and ready, so you see I can got the food stuff and bits and pieces of clothing items and stuff. So this barrel has been packed, but I think I need to repack it because there's lots of space in the corner that things can go in. So I've packed that one. That one is ready to go. Let's go to pack. My mama like these. She likes them a lot. Rice pudding. Got a big 2.5 kg powdered milk, so I can make her a smoothie and stuff like that. And I got her a Milo. She likes Milo a lot. It's a Jamaican thing. Don't ask me why. So I got this one, and it's so some pasta. Alright guys, so I am just packing these barrels. This is one thing that I don't like to do, packing barrels. I don't mind buying the stuff, but packing it is not my thing. So I got some ketchup over there with some mayo, and I've got some more there, but I'm just not a barrel packer. I just never do. I don't know how to pack it, but as you can see, there's more stuff on the floor. So I'm packed. This is 1 barrel pack. Thing is inside so far. You got some tuna there, you got juice, you got ketchup, you got all kind of stuff in there. And the bottom you got pasta, mostly dry products, you know. So I need 2 more bottles of this, so that's gonna be bought for the next barrel. And I need some more rice and other bits, a lot more stuff, but I'm just buying them as I go. So I get this large peanut butter as well, because I like peanut butter. So I need to get about 3 more. So yeah, so this is what I just started. I got 2 of them, 2 barrel I need to pack. Just two of these ones. because I normally bring 2 when I'm going down. So I just started packing. I just put some stuff in the bottom. So I have like Excel shower gel as well. So I got 3 of those from Lidl, and yeah, I'm just gonna wrap the end of it with tape so it doesn't pop while they're, you know, taking the barrel to and from the truck to the shipping container. So I pack them. It takes 3 weeks to get there. Then by the time it gets there and you get onto the port, the shipping port, it needs a couple of days food stuff. So yeah, this is it. So I just started. Also, I get some air fresheners as well, because you know, when we're down in Jamaica, I like to keep our home smelling nice and fresh. So I got a couple of those. I'm gonna get some couple more. And yeah, so these are the other 2. See, I bought these are 2. Then bought from Lidl. It's an XL. And this is the other 2. I don't think I did any more of this because I just need to have one for my room and one for my daughter's room. And yeah, so pretty much that. So things like evaporated milk, things like that I put in the barrel. Put like things like condensed milk, things like those. I've got Weetabix there, got oatmeal, got some cleaning product because I'm going on holiday, so I need to get all of these stuff. I've got some cubes, some chicken stock for cooking when I'm down there. I've got mayo. The barrel I just start packing it, so it's not ready. I've got some gravy granules that go in there as well. So there's quite a few bits of stuff in there. So it takes time and money. Write it up, and that's ready also. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, here are all the toys that I've got for the children. For Jamaica, the barrels coming. The people are coming to collect the barrels today. So I'm just getting. I'm gonna pop out in a little bit to get a bag, because the 2 barrels that I packed cannot carry everything, and these toys have to go off today. You know, I know Jamaica just had the hurricane and everything. These were already bought, but it comes in really handy now because the hurricane just left. So it comes in really, really handy. Okay, so these are some of the toys. We have some already in the white barrel that you've seen in the videos. And these ones are what I'm selling on. But the barrel cannot hold it, so now I'm gonna pop out to the store. I'm just waiting for the store to be open and then rush out to get a bag. They're coming to collect it. They're coming tomorrow, Friday. Guys, this is early. It's 8:15 at the moment, so I'm a little bit discombobulated. But yeah, this is all the toys. Some of the toys. Well, I have a few bits, not a lot in the barrel, but just a little bit, and this one. So it comes in really handy now, more than when I was shopping back then, because we just had the hurricane. So this will help. You know, the barrel is going to be in Jamaica for Christmas anyway. It won't be in there for now because it takes 3 weeks or something like that to go there and to clear it and all that sort of stuff. So 3 to 4 weeks, a month, say a month, and this should be in Jamaica, all of this, including the barrel. So I hope everybody have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna get dressed now and I'll be off on the road again. It's my day off today, so let's see where I go. Don't be a hero. If you can't do everything, ask for help, and somebody always there to help you, okay? And please let us all do our duty as a community and help each other, okay? Please. Take care. Love you. Love you all.